I think public universities tend to be larger in size. Therefore, they are better able to offer work study positions to a greater number of students. For mummy, while private colleges are generally more expensive, don't you think their ability to offer more attractive financial aid packages can sometimes make them more affordable? Public universities, which tend to be larger in size, are better able to offer work study positions to a greater number of students. While private colleges are generally more expensive, their ability to offer more attractive financial aid packages can sometimes make them more affordable than public universities. Welcome to Leap Scholar, the #1 study abroad solution. To be notified on our videos, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Today we are discussing the important factors to compare between private and public universities. Number 1. Sources of funding. The defining difference between public and private institutions is how they are funded. Public schools are funded mainly by state governments, while private colleges are supported primarily by their own endowment funds and students' tuition fees. Number 2. Cost of attendance. Now here's the thing. Public universities are heavily subsidized by state governments, which enables them to charge lower tuition rates to students. Private colleges, on the other hand, are more expensive because they rely more heavily on students' tuition payments to cover their operating expenses. Therefore, public colleges and universities are almost always less costly to attend than private schools. Number 3. Financial aid. Private colleges and universities may be more costly to attend. However, they frequently offer more substantial tuition discounts than do public universities. Public universities, which tend to be larger in size, are better able to offer work study positions to a greater number of students. While private colleges are generally more expensive, their ability to offer more attractive financial aid packages can sometimes make them more affordable than public universities. Number 4. Accreditation. A school can be accredited nationally, regionally, or not at all. Regional accreditation, which is considered the gold standard of accreditation, is associated with the highest educational standards. Nearly all public universities are regionally accredited, while many private colleges are only accredited nationally. Number 5 is size. Public universities are generally bigger than private colleges. The student body population, campus size, and class sizes are bigger at public schools. With many thousands of students enrolled at public universities, class sizes of a couple hundreds are not uncommon. Public university campuses are more likely than those of private colleges to be well equipped to meet students' needs and may feature restaurants, movie theaters, or other entertainment options in addition to transportation. Okay, so we are done with 5. Number 6 is degree program offerings. Students who are sure of what they want to study can benefit from attending private institutions that are well regarded in their chosen fields, while incoming freshmen who have yet to choose a major may be better off attending a public university with many available degree programs. Number 7, and my favorite, it's extracurricular activities. Due to their large size, public colleges and universities typically offer a wider selection of extracurricular activities than do smaller private colleges. Number 8. Diversity of student body. Private and public colleges are diverse in different ways. Public institutions tend to be demographically more diverse because the tuition fees is more affordable. The diversity of public institutions is additionally enhanced by the wide range of academic majors available. Number 9 is prestige factor. No wonder it does matter. Public universities typically place lower in the college rankings than private schools and frequently have less selective admission criteria. Now here's the thing. The quality of education received at a private institution is not necessarily superior to that which can be obtained at a public school, but graduates of highly ranked or prestigious colleges are typically more sought after in the job market. So, to answer our question in discussion, is a public or a private college right for you? That absolutely depends. As you are now aware, there are many different factors that differentiate public universities from private schools. The trick is to decide which factors are most important to you and proceed accordingly. That's all from today's video. Until we meet in our next, take the leap.